Hello, it's Serenity Good here, and in today's video, I'm just gonna, take it easy and just make regular, calm slime. It says all my other videos are like nonsense, like glow in the dark, super gooey, as in not like sticky, but like liquidy type. Then I'm just, use a lot of glue. I kind of want it to lot. Just like that. Okay. Alright, let's add some activator. In my next video, I'm going to be making some glittery slime. Just look forward to that. Okay, my activator in there to make glue. But they didn't have no clear glue. This clear glue would be the best right now. Like really want clear glue. Clear glue is the best type of slime. Yep, that is 100% not slime. You guys know if you want your slime to be stretchy, you want to add this just a little bit. You want enough to make it like my other slime. Which I have no clue what I did with. Oh well, it'll pop out eventually. Or will it? Oh, I found it. This slime. It's really good. Okay, we'll add some more of this. Okay. It's going good. What? And then in the comment section down below, comment what your favorite type of slime is. My favorite type of slime would probably be Lego slime. Nothing special for me. You guys can send me fan mail slime also. I will open them up on camera. And if you don't have slime, well, I can totally just open yours up also. Okay? That'd be awesome. Okay, need some more slime activator, but it's getting there. Yeah, it's trying to pull itself together. Passed the finger test, so I have officially made slime. No, I'm not going to count this as slime yet, just because. No, it is slime. So I finished. This is my record. But but let's make it purple. I want to try and make it purple. So it's always pretty blue, but I already have blue somewhere. A little bit more activator. Let's just find a, but maybe let's pink. I don't care. Oh my gosh. All from the dog full. Gotta wash my hands after this fail. Gosh. House. Isn't not well that I've got to have dog food stuff too. It's common. What? Well, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll show what my slime turns out. I'm having a family emergency right now. I'm not going to do nothing except for mixing the color. See my bowl completely clean. Well, good.